And education kits have been something we've done with all of our projects, so that they go on the website. I do quite a lot of education projects through Artback as well, touring exhibitions. So I really enjoy that aspect of making the exhibitions really accessible, providing a context, introducing the country and where it's located and the people who are the subject of, or making the work. And that's a really important part of what we do, just making that information accessible and enabling people to understand the background and where these works come from. And I think it's a really important thing for our nation to have those understandings. And the more we do it, the deeper and the closer, the deeper understandings will develop. And that's a really primary part of what we do. From there, I got a job at the Museum and Art Gallery in education. So the Museum and Art Gallery obviously has this amazing collection of natural history and social history and Aboriginal art and Western art. So that culmination of working within those areas was, again, really extraordinary for me, to have that basis of understanding and presenting programs around each of those disciplines. And I learned an awful lot at the museum. Because as a teacher, when you present information, you come from often from a fairly low base, and it's intriguing to pull all of those aspects together. So that culminated in an exhibition I curated there called Emerge, which was for children. So we hung the works very low and did an education kit which was distributed to all the schools in the territory. And that was a really beautiful little project.